Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply materials to your objects. Or I should say material IDs to your objects. So what is this used for? It is whenever you export your models to say Substance, 3D, or any texturing package, it will have these IDs applied to the object and it will give you a better idea of where to put your textures when you apply them. Here I'm showing you the finished version of the model with the material IDs applied. So as usually, you're going to start out with a new mesh. That'll be at the top right. And you're going to go to create and add a cube into your viewport. All you got to do is just drag left into the viewport and the cube will be created. Just adjust the properties to the size you like and you can get started. Just make sure you remember to name the object so there isn't any confusion later on. So what you're going to do is select any face. You can actually select as many faces as you would like. It really doesn't matter. You're going to hit M on your keyboard, and M basically stands for material. So you're gonna have a little window pop up, and from there you can name the material whatever you like, and make sure you separate the materials by color. Any random color, it doesn't matter because you're gonna change it later on in whatever texturing package you use. It's pretty simple as that. So these different colors represent whatever it's gonna represent the texture later on in whatever software you use. So if you pick the red and you want a wood texture, and then the yellow can represent the metal texture. So it can give you a little bit more control later on. Now a lot of this can be affected by your UVW mapping. I'll have to do another video on that, but they work together. For example, if I were to export this cube to Substance Painter 3D, which is actually owned by Adobe now, but it would recognize each of these IDs and you would be able to paint separately on each of them. Like I said earlier, it gives you a lot more control over that process. If you click on the little tab there under where you name the object, there's a couple extra options there. There's a Unity option and an Unreal option, and two others I'm not sure about. I have to do a little research on that, but I've never used those. But if you have those game engines, you can use that option to export. So this is the conclusion to this video. I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial. It's simple stuff, but maybe somebody doesn't know about it and it can help somebody out there. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.